Hello everyone, welcome to shiny or rainy Portugal. This is the third rally race stage and we are ready for BP Ultimate Portugal. So today we made technical check, yesterday we made administrative check and we are ready for the race.
So the program of this afternoon is now to test a little bit the machine and the terrain of the Portugal. And this evening we'll go to the ceremonial podium. We will wash the ATV so that's super clean and we are really looking forward tomorrow to start the race.
And tomorrow prologue and two special stages. BP Ultimate Portugal bring us very unexpected weather because it's a very rainy. We expected to have a lot of sun and dust, but now we will have a lot of mud and water. But we are ready for that and we will have 4 days in Portugal and 1 day in Spain.
I expect having a lot of fun as usual. I think the weather is not so nice, we will see. Maybe a lot of mud and water, but that's the race. So
BP Ultimate Portugal, we are ready to bring one more finish with a CF Moto. Let's go!